Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use ChatGPT, and this is very suitable for you as the new beginner. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, this ChatGPT can be accessed from the laptop, tab, or even the smartphone. So don't worry to try this AI out. And in this time, I'd like to show you how to use this from the laptop. And here I'm using the Google Chrome to access it, and you can just simply click this ChatGPT, and usually it will direct you into the tab that you need to do the sign up or the login first with your Google Mail, and after that it will direct you into this homepage of ChatGPT. So as you can see here, for the opening they usually say the greeting following your living area, or also opening like this, what's on your mind today. And for example, I will ask about the recipe of the taco, and I will enter it. So it will instantaneously share you and answer you about about everything that you would like to ask. And also in the last section, this ChatGPT usually also offer you another question or another confirmation about what's next they need to do. For example, would you like me to also give you a vegetarian or vegan taco recipe option, something like that? And if you agree with that, then you can just simply type sure or okay. It's like you are asking the recipe from the closest friend or the consultant. And for example, if you would like to give the like for this answer, then you can just give this a good response, or also you can copy this into your, for example, I will copy it into the Microsoft Word here. So it can be copied and pasted here. And the section that being copied is about the section that being separated of the another question. And after that, you can also share these responses into this X, LinkedIn, and also the Reddit. And the another feature of this ChatGPT is also the new chat, search, and also library. And you can also open the sidebar over here. And as you can see, it will offer you the Sora. So I have already clicked it, and it will drag you into the another tab. And this is the place I think for generate the picture and also the video. And if you need any tutorial how to use this Sora to generate the image or the video, please put it on a comment down below, and we will make you the another section of this video. And also about the library, it will show you for example, the picture that you have asked the ChatGPT to generate something in it. And also this is the history about something that you have already asked for ChatGPT to answer before. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful, And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys!